So many different types of houseplant you can choose to embellish your own home. One of the big popular ones happens to be the orchid. And just take a look at this. I'm nervous about leaving this in Chelsea because this is one that I want to take home for my own home at the end. It is called the moth orchid, Phalaenopsis, and Phalaenopsis is Greek for moth-like. So it all ties together in the end, and you get these masses of these lovely flowers. Just look at them. If I just give it a slight shake, it looks like moths in flight, and these beautiful shaped petals and a little throat at the bottom, glorious green leaves as well. And these orchids can grow really well on a bathroom or a kitchen windowsill. They like a little bit of humidity. They're a lot easier to keep than you think. The secret is not letting them sit in water, because you can water them regularly, but if they sit in water, they don't do very well. But outside of it and the humidity, they do great. When these spikes, they flower for sometimes loads more buds coming, it eventually dies back. And as it dies back, you just cut them off at the base. And there's every chance, with a little bit of Miracle-Gro orchid feed to get the energy in with the plant itself, it'll send out a second spike in the same year. And if you really feed it well, you may get 3 different flowering times in the same year. But it's a type of plant that you'll have for years and years, because it will tolerate a little bit of neglect. In fact, in many cases, houseplants are killed by kindness, by too much water. But give an orchid a try, you won't be disappointed.